Hello and welcome everyone. In the new series of our string programming, we are going to learn a new Java program. The Java program is how to find duplicate words in a string using. So suppose here we are declaring one string called name. Let's say the string is having hello tech Java hello world Java. So this is a sentence that we have written. Now we have to see how many times these words has been repeated or how many times they are duplicate. So suppose here in this name we are having hello 2 times, also we are having Java 2 times. So that we have to find what are the words that has been duplicated into the string. So how we will do? So simply in this, like earlier, whenever we are checking for the characters, we are changing our string to character array and they are divided into words. In case we want to go to check the duplicate of words, simple, we are going to change it to the string array. So how we are going to do that? Let's see. Here we are having name and then with the help of name we are going to split our string, right? And we will split our string with double quotes and we are done with changing our string entire sentence into the string words, right? That we will see. Also after changing into the string array, this will change string array and we will find the word by comma separated, something like this. So here output will be something like this: hello comma tech Java, something like this. That I will also show you in the program. Now what we will do, we are going to create one hash map like you people have already seen in earlier program. So instead of character we are using string here, and again we are going to put integer to increase the value of hash map, and after that we are going to create object of hash map with the help of new keyword, and then we are done here with declaring our hash map. So with here after splitting string, what we are doing, we are simply putting hello to this string, tech to this string, and again if you see this hello is repeated here. So same hello we are going to put in the string, and in case they are repeated twice, we will increase number here in the integer part here, and after iterating we will see whether the value is greater in somewhere, then we will find it out. Now let's jump into the code and we are good to go for the programming. So as you already know, I am having one project ready made. There I am going to create one package com.string.program. Now we are going to start coding. From here we are having one class called find duplicate string, find duplicate words in string, right? Yes, we have created our class, and after that we are going to make our main method from where we will start coding. So what will happen, we are just simply going to make it string something like this. We will copy from here, and then we will paste here. So now here we have to make double quote something like this, which will not give compilation issue, right? And we are going to remove this comma. So here we are done, and now we are going to split our string into words. So how that can be done? So simply we are going to make our name dot split, and what will be the, this will be the pass of quotes. empty, right? And then again we have to assign some value here so that we can find the array. So what value will be there? We are changing it to the string array to find words, right? So here we are putting our arrays, and then what will happen, we will put something like words, and we are done with declaration part. Now we are going to create one hash map. So hash map we are going to copy it from here, simple, and we are going to put in our next line. So what it is saying, we need to import hash map. We have imported hash map, and we are done with declaring our hash map. Now I will show you to after iterating loop. So first will be our for each loop. So in for each loop we are going to write what? String. We are going to make it word, and then we are going to pass this words. Correct? Yes, it is correct. Now what we are going to do next we will put one condition. If hash map, here we are going to put count words, something like this, so that it can be increase readability. If hash map dot contains key like word, right? So here we are going to put word, right? After that we will check if it contains the key, then we will increase the number by 1. So simple, we are going to copy this, and whenever we are adding something into the hash map, we are using put method to add any data. So now what will happen? So simple, we are going to put our word. What are the words? These are words that are coming, and these we are putting, these words we will be putting into this string of hash map. And in case that string is repeating, so we will increase count here in integer. That too I will show you, so no need to worry. After that we are going to make word count. We will check in case there is number exist, in case there is word exist, right? Then we will increase it by 1, right? Now else condition, in case the word does not exist, word does not contain anything in the hash map, then it will be counted as single word, right? So here we will just copy, and we will not increase anything. Here we will just put 1. That's it. It will be counted 1 time, right? So we are done declaring here, and we can see all these things. So till here we are done. We are done with iterating our loop. Now second condition, we are going to iterate because now we got data into the count words using this for loop, and now we will get data from here and check whether the number of repetitive character is there or not. So again we are going to put again one for each loop, something like this. From here I am going to copy, and we will put things like that. And now we will check again condition. If word count map, if count words contains key, right? Sorry, we will not get this time, not make get key, where we are going to get words. So here we are going to make word, right? Of course word. Also we are going to check whether those words are greater than one count, of course. Then we will simply put here one message system.out.println, and we will see the duplicate word in the sentence. Correct. Now what will happen, we are going to put our word here. We will modify a little bit and we are good to go. But can you tell me, I have told in many programs, can we directly iterate these things? Of course, here everything I have given is wrong. You need to see why. Because every time map cannot be iterated without changing into the set. And how come we can iterate? We cannot iterate. Simple. We have to make it proper way of changing our map to set, and we are done. Now it is correct way. Now let's see, are we getting proper input or not? So what we are getting? We are getting duplicate words, but here something happened wrong. What is that wrong? Here we are only getting duplicate character, not words. And why is that? It is because here things are not working properly. Let's see. So after debugging, we will check why the split didn't work properly. So we will see. So we are going to make it work with the help of debug. All those things that I am doing, making mistake, is just because you people can understand it well. Correct? Now let's move further and we will step over. So how this word has been changed. See, the split didn't work properly. We were dividing these things into the word, but they have come here like characters. That is not correct. But our program is working perfectly in the case of H, right? In the case of H, E, and whatever characters are working, whatever characters are there, they are properly being repeated and duplicates. So here our output was correct, but we have to change these characters into words. So that will be only the proper way to check repetition of words, like hello, to hello, like Java and to Java. So we have to check words, not character, right? Now we will skip this and run. We are going to run again. So what will happen here? We have to give some space to see whether things are working or not this time. Correct? So we will check. So see, we have to give one space to change into the words, right? Otherwise, if you will not give any space, they will be changed into the character. Now after that, here we can see that duplicate words in the sentence is Java. Are we sure that only the Java is duplicate? Yes, where hello is not duplicate. Why? Because H in hello is uppercase in the first scenario, and in the second scenario it is in the lowercase. That is why hello is not being repeated again and again, whether Java is being repeated and duplicate. Now let's see, and I will show you how hash map is working here internally, right? So that can be done properly with the help of debugging, and I am going to enable it. So let's see, our debugging has started and I am waiting to come breakpoint. Yes, now we can see properly the split. I am using step over F8 to jump to the next line, right? Now we can see the value of word here, which we were getting like character. Now it has come in a proper way into a string array, like we can see. So we are having 6 indexes total, which is starting from 0, and everything are in the correct place. Now there is no mismatch, correct? Now we are going to jump. So here what is saying, if the hash map contains, if this hash map contains any word like hello, but if it is containing word like hello, we have to increase the count, and that count will be increased here in the integer line number 9, right? In case, but in the first scenario, this count word hash map is empty, because here we can see the size is 0. It means hello itself is not there. So first time it will jump and put the first word here. Now let's see, step over, and now we have kept one word that is called hello in our hash map. So size will increase by 1. See, the size has been increased here properly. Like you can see, the size here has been increased like 1, and here key is hello and value is 1, right? So key is nothing but this string, and the value is nothing but integer here. Like you can see, this is integer that we have defined here. Now we will jump into and check again and again. So tech is also not there in the hash map. The word Java is also not there. The hello is repeated again? No, not repeated. So it has been kept again. Again we are going, the word is repeated or not? It's not repeated. And again we are going to check, and finally we found the new thing. Now here, when the count words we are getting here, simple, we are having 5 things. Now here we can see that the hello, small hello h is 1 time, and the uppercase hello is 1 time, but there is something that is repeating is Java, that is 2 times. We can see the key is Java and value is repeated twice here, means 2 times value we have increased with the help of our for method, in this case in the line number 12, correct? Now we are checking if any word is having count more than that, even it is hello, tech, or whatever word we have, world, we don't care. Even if we are having count greater than 1, it means they are repeated character. Let's jump here. So see, it will only go if the count is more than 1. And yes, in the case of Java, we have seen that the word is Java is greater than 1 count. Now I will do again these things. So I am going to put any word that is repeated again and again, and here I am going to make hello, tech, Java, world. Now see, again we are going to run this program, and we will see what are the duplicates word in our program. Now we can see we have found 4 words, right? The tech, the Java, the world, and the hello. 4 words are repeated here. So this was the programming, how we can find it. It was absolutely easy to do it using hash map. There are some traditional way of doing this, but this is the easiest way to find duplicate words. This is also here we can use duplicate to character to find hash map, and many more things. Hash map is good approach to do this question. And in case you people find any difficulty in coding, so what you can do, you can simply comment it out, try it with the help of debugging. You can see the code with full transparency, and debugging is the best way to find out what is the problem we are facing in our current running program, right? So we are done with this program. Bye bye, see you soon.